Arizona State Parks has a wildflower meter.
Oh, sure, yeah.
That will tell you where it's the wildflower bloom is, and we're kind of getting into it. And I was talking about the west side of my property where the floodplain is, which is kind of a joke. That's county calls it a floodplain, but whatever. A lot of cheeseweed. Well, I had taken the bush hog through there. Oh, I don't know. It was before Thanksgiving. And knocked down some cheeseweed. The yellow, the orange. I'm thinking they're African poppies because I've got these beautiful orange blooms out there, and also some purple ones. Is that lupine?
Yep.
So I've just a bunch of natural wildflowers have come up once I knocked the cheeseweed down, and then out in the front of the property on the east side, I ordered from Tucson Native Seeds. Native Seed Search, a bunch of wildflower packages, and spread it all out there. So I'm hoping, and that's where the flagpole is, with this rain in the summer, just to have this beautiful wildflower display surrounding the American flag. And
that'd be pretty. The desert that is it's happening. I mean, because of all that early rain we had. I drove to San Carlos the other day to call on a guy in that desert between Globe and the turnoff to San Carlos Lake. There's poppies, and it's, you get a little bit of warmer weather in the next week or so, and it's really going to go. But it's already in progress, and the lupins along the roadside and all that. I'd like that loop to go to, like, you go into Payson and then turn off at Roosevelt and go across Roosevelt and end up in Globe and come home that way. That's usually a pretty good little drive for wildflowers. If, in the next couple of weeks, I would try and make that trip, and then you end up in Globe and get you some good Mexican food.